This is a Chandler 406 RB1. That's made by Kanso Company, which is identical to 206 RB5. It's a big capacity of bobbin on the machines. The bobbin case, it's big. And right now also have a reverse on this one. The stitch come up to 10, and you can regulate for small stitch or big stitch by changing that regulator. Okay, so right now I will show you the machine. It's working beautifully. And you have a reverse on it. As you see the reverse, very beautiful. Then you raise it, turn it around, and we make a big stitch right now. See the big stitch on it? Here's your big stitch. And you do reverse anytime you want. You can go heavy duty on this one, multiple, or you can put even more plies as you request. And you see how heavy it is sewing, light or heavy. All these plies, even thicker. Thank you very much from Atlas Levy Sewing Machine Company, www.atlaslevy.com.